Before you decide whether Vanguard's app is the right choice for you, here are 12 key things you need to know. We'll dive into how it compares with other finance apps, helping you make an informed decision. First up, Vanguard's app is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It's designed to give you access to your portfolio and make quick transactions, but it may feel too basic for those who prefer detailed, complex options like the ones you find on apps like Fidelity or Charles Schwab. Next thing, Vanguard's app stands out because of its low-cost investment options. Vanguard is famous for its low expense ratios, which means you pay less to invest. This is a huge benefit compared to other apps that charge higher fees or require minimum investments. But this doesn't mean you'll get the same range of assets as some of its competitors. The third thing to consider is the user experience. Vanguard's app is easy to navigate, but it lacks the slickness and extensive features you might find with apps like Robinhood or Wealthfront. While it's a great app for beginners, advanced users may feel that it's missing key functionalities like customizable dashboards or advanced charts. The fourth thing is security. Vanguard uses industry-standard encryption and authentication methods to keep your data safe. While it's generally secure, some users may find that more specialized apps like E-Trade or TD Ameritrade offer even more robust security measures, especially for those who value having a variety of two-factor authentication methods. Next, let's talk about customer support. Vanguard offers solid customer service, but it may not be as readily available as some competitors. Apps like Betterment and Wealthfront provide more hands-on customer support, which can be useful if you're new to investing or want personalized guidance. The sixth thing is its investment options. Vanguard focuses primarily on low-cost index funds, which can be perfect for long-term investors. But if you're interested in a wider variety of stocks, bonds, or ETFs, you might find better options with apps like Robinhood, which offers more flexibility in terms of trading different types of assets. Seventh, Vanguard's mobile app supports both retirement accounts and general brokerage accounts. So if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for managing your wealth, it's a solid choice. However, if you're after an app that specializes solely in retirement accounts with automatic portfolio rebalancing, apps like Wealthfront might be a better option for that focus. The eighth thing you should know is that the Vanguard app doesn't have many interactive tools for learning. While it's straightforward to use, other apps like Acorns and Stash offer built-in educational resources and financial advice, which could be a plus if you're new to investing. The ninth thing is the fees. Vanguard is known for its competitive fees, especially when it comes to mutual funds. If you're someone who prefers to minimize your costs and doesn't mind a simpler interface, it's definitely a great option. But you might find apps like SoFi offering lower fees on specific investment products, so it's worth comparing. The 10th point is that Vanguard's mobile app doesn't have as many automated features as some of its competitors. Apps like Betterment and Wealthfront provide automatic portfolio rebalancing and tax optimization, which are features that appeal to investors who want to be hands-off. Vanguard doesn't quite match up in this regard. Next, let's talk about the investment tools. Vanguard provides the basics, portfolio tracking and account management, but it doesn't offer the range of tools and calculators you'll find on apps like TD Ameritrade or Schwab. If you need advanced analysis, those apps may be more appealing. The 12th thing to know is that Vanguard's app isn't ideal for active traders. If you're looking for frequent trading, real-time charts, or fast execution, you might want to consider other apps like Robinhood or E-Trade, which are better suited for active investors. In conclusion, Vanguard is a great option for long-term investors, especially if you're looking for a simple and cost-effective way to manage your portfolio. However, if you're after more advanced tools, active trading options, or specialized services, you might want to explore other apps. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, check out our recommended service that you can try for free.